Hello and welcome to my application demonstration video. My name is Stefan Marinov from MarinovNET IT Consulting Inc. and today I will walk you through the Event2Invoice application. The purpose of Event2Invoice is to streamline the invoicing process. If you have client meetings that you track in your Google Calendar and you need to send invoices based on those calendar entries, this add-on can do that for you in just a couple of simple steps and avoid any manual data entry. By integrating directly with QuickBooks Online, the app reduces errors, saves time, and ensures financial records stay accurate and up to date. Now let's go through a full application demonstration. The add-on is available only on the web version of the Google Calendar, and once you install it, you will see the icon right here in the ribbon. Once you click on it, you would need to grant permissions. Select the correct Google account. Currently the app is being verified, so you will see some extra warning messages, which once it's verified you're not going to see. Make sure to select the correct Google account and click on continue and grant access to all the permissions. Once you grant permissions, you will see that the interface has changed, and here we have a couple of reminders. The first one is for QuickBooks, and once we go there, we will need to make sure that our customers, services, and taxes are correctly set up. So when we click here, we can see our customers being set up. When we go to sales, products, and services, we will see that our services have price tags to them. Anything without a price tag will be ignored. And taxes, and if you are required to collect sales tax, you can make sure that you have correctly set it up right here. I'm in Ontario, Canada, and definitely we are collecting HST. The next step is to link your Google account with your QuickBooks account, and that is done through the Event2Invoice application homepage. Click on the title and you are presented with the homepage. The top right corner has the login with the Google account, and make sure you select the exact same Google account as your calendar. Grant any permissions and you are presented with this interface. Over here you will see that we are not connected to QuickBooks, and this is where we link our Google account with our QuickBooks account. And I will now log in. And this is the regular authentication from QuickBooks. Username. And if you have any multi-factor authentication, you can add it as well. And this is now the location where you're going to be selecting the company. I'll be selecting this one. And if needed, just click connect. And the interface gets refreshed, and you're going to see now you are connected here. The last thing that we need is to copy and paste the access token that we see right here. The purpose is that this authentication token correctly authenticates you between the Google Calendar and QuickBooks, and that way you can be sure that only your data is being looked at and updated. This token expires roughly every hour, so you would need to log in every time and copy and paste the token once it expires. We click Save Token, and as you see, the interface refreshed again, and you will see you're connected to the Sandbox company, the same company that we are connected right here. And now we can start creating invoices. Simply click on the particular entry. The interface will change, and you select the customer, you select the item, you select your tax option, and then duration is automatically calculated based on the duration of the event. You create invoice, and in a few seconds you will see the pop-up that says everything has been done correctly, and changing to green color means that the invoice has been successfully created. You can verify by clicking on the event again, and you see that now we have the invoice link right here. There is also the button to send invoices. If you click it, it will send any unsent invoices. You can send the invoice after you create every single invoice, or you can create as many invoices as you want, as I'm going to do in this case. So I'm going to create 2 invoices. And when I click on send invoices, now it's going to send the invoices that have not been sent yet. In some cases, the add-on caches data for ease of rendering, but that does not mean it's getting the latest information. So if you've made changes, but you don't see them reflected, click on the refresh button, and that's going to force the add-on to grab the latest data. To summarize, this application connects your Google Workspace, your Google Calendar with QuickBooks and makes the invoicing process fast, secure, and accurate. In addition, the integration is done with security in mind, and all sensitive fields are encrypted. In addition, users are in control of their data, and they can always revoke the permissions at any time from their Google account or from their QuickBooks account. Thank you for watching the demonstration video, and thank you for choosing Marinov IT Consulting Inc. for your business needs.